Welcome. This is the Ultimate Task and Project Manager for Notion. This template is built for people who get overwhelmed easily, especially when traditional task systems ask you to track everything. Here is the core idea. Productivity does not improve when you add more tasks. It improves when you remove noise. The goal of this system is not to capture every small thing you do. The goal is to help your mind focus on what actually matters right now and safely ignore the rest. In this video, I will show you how the system works, how tasks and projects flow together, and why each part exists, so you know exactly when to use it and when not to. Dashboard overview. This is the dashboard. Think of it as your control center. It is intentionally simple, by design. You are not meant to analyze data here. You are not meant to plan your entire life here. The dashboard exists for one purpose: to show you only what needs your attention right now. If something is not important today, it stays out of your way. That is not a limitation. That is the system working. By reducing what you see, the dashboard reduces mental noise and lowers decision fatigue before you even start working. Tasks section. This is the task section. Tasks are the smallest unit of action in the system. Anything you actually do starts as a task. In this system, tasks can exist in two ways. They can be standalone tasks, or they can be connected to a project. If something is small, quick, or one time, it can stay standalone. If a task contributes to a bigger outcome, you connect it to a project. Both approaches are valid. Nothing is forced. You do not need to turn everything into a project just to feel organized. Task properties. Each task can have properties like importance, urgency, and energy level. These exist to answer one simple question: what should I work on right now? Importance tells you whether a task truly matters. Urgency tells you how time sensitive it is. Energy level tells you how demanding the task is. Energy is especially useful on low focus or low energy days. Instead of forcing high effort work, you choose tasks that match how you feel today, not how you wish you felt. This helps reduce burnout and makes consistency easier. All of these properties are optional. If you do not use them, the system still works. A good system adapts to different working styles instead of forcing productivity through willpower. Project section. Now let us look at projects. Projects represent outcomes, not effort. They are not just bigger tasks. A project is anything that requires multiple steps and unfolds over time. When tasks are connected to a project, progress updates automatically. You do not need to calculate anything. You do not need to track progress manually. Projects provide direction. Tasks handle execution. Together, they keep the system clear without adding extra work. Project properties. Projects can also use the same properties as tasks, like importance, urgency, and energy level. At the project level, these properties do not control execution. They provide context. Importance helps you understand which outcomes matter most. Urgency highlights time-bound projects. Energy reflects how demanding a project is overall. This helps you decide which project to focus on, not which task to click next. And just like with tasks, all of these properties are optional. Use them only if they reduce friction, not add to it. Orbit section. This is Orbit. Orbit shows your overall state over time, including active tasks, active projects, streaks, and long-term patterns. This is not a performance dashboard. Nothing here is meant to grade you. Orbit exists to build awareness, not guilt or pressure. Bad days are expected. Inconsistency is normal. The system is designed to absorb that without breaking and without shaming you. To start using this template, duplicate it, create one project, add a few tasks, and stop there. You do not need to use every property. You do not need to optimize anything. Let the system support you at the pace you can handle. A good system works with you, not against you. Thank you for watching.